My hands on Granny. That sounds all kinds of wrong, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
I've got my hands on Granny. Call social services. No. Granny, we have visitors.
Jerry coming downstairs. It's all right, Jerry. You can just walk through. It's fine.
We'll just ignore you, pretend you're not here. No,
We are still.
We're not paused it.
Nope.
Okay. I don't think we just froze. The camera just froze because it's like. Again, I designed my own dress because the dress patterns are just
Pants.
pants. I was thinking of a better word than pants, but pants will do. So I did my own dress. It's got little capped sleeves.
Yeah. Let me zoom in.
Take off the little shawl.
Yeah.
The little sleeves, capped sleeves.
Very good.
Little dress. What colour's the dress? Purple? Is it purple?
Yeah.
Purple dress. And a little blue? Is it blue shawl?
Very light blue.
Very light blue shawl. What colour was it supposed to be?
Light blue.
Oh, well, did well then.
Yeah.
Light blue little shawl. Just said that, hadn't I?
Yeah.
Little bun.
Yeah. Oh, let me zoom in on the bun.
Don't say buns.
Very cute.
So, that is Grandmama. All finished. And what do you think I'm going to get my hands on next?